Hello, my name is Landisisa. This is the subject of Introduction to Linguistics. In this exposition, I going to talk about the topic difference between human and animal communication. Well, first, what is communication? According to Norkis, this is a process when we send and receive a message. It can be verbal or non-verbal. For example, we can use speech, write, or different ways to communicate our message. In other words, the creation and exchange of meaning. For example, a good example of communication is this exposition. Well, in cultural transmission, in the humans, the words are the meanings are a product of learning and active interaction. We uh, we learn different words and we learn their meaning in our entire life. We can create a meaning from words, ideas, numbers, and others. In animals, their communication is only biological. They have a limited ways to communicate, in this case, sounds or movements. Well, what is the function of communication? In the human, it is used in most of the time to express our feeling or ideas. We can accompany this communication with fashion expression, moving or sounds, and it helps to the message arrives with greater clarity to the other participant. In animals, most of their communication is verbal. They can distinguish what each sound means between them. For example, it depends of the volume of the sound. It can means fear, sadness, angry, hunger, or something like that. Personal example for me, I can distinguish with my cat. It's hungry because he meow very loud. What is the purpose of communication? In humans, not only we use to communicate, it is used for sharing information, ideas, to receive ideas, to give ideas, to give orders, to receive orders, and for knowledge too. But most important is to express our thoughts. In animals, it is used exclusively as a biological method of survival. And this sounds is just necessary for their survival. Well, what is the ways of information? Yeah. We can, in the humans, we can transmit it through many media. For example, TV, cell phones, cell phones, and others. We can do it in a right way, orally, by sign, by sounds. In other words, we have a lot of options to communicate. In animals, they can only do so by means of biological creative sound. And how I said before, is just for survival. Well, what is the feedback? In humans, we can get an immediate reaction to what we communicate. It can be verbal or not verbal. For example, we can distinguish irony, boredom, or if like the image, we can see the other person is angry. In animals, they react by listening to the sound of another animal, but they don't try to respond to it. And this is all. I hope that you understand the explanation. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye. See you later.